Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can create this circular path by using Boolean modifier, and you will also learn that by using follow path constraints, these spheres are moving around their circular path nicely to create this beautiful animation. So let's start. First, I open the Blender, select all and delete everything. Press Shift A to add a UV sphere, and here I increase the segments and rings of this UV sphere and also make it shade smooth. Now again press Shift A, and here I add a torus and in front view and enter into the wireframe. Here you can see that I scale the torus something like here. Nice. Now select the sphere, and in modifier I add a Boolean modifier, and here I select torus and apply it. Now select the torus and rotate this along x-axis to 90 degree, and now again I select the sphere, and in Boolean modifier I select torus and apply it. Nice. Now delete this, and here you can see. To make it shade smooth, enter into the object data properties, and here I select auto smooth. Nice. And here I select. Now it's looking very well. Now I hide this object and press Shift A, and in curve I select a circle, and again in mesh I add a UV sphere and make it shade smooth, and also scale down, and in constraints I add a follow path constraints, and here I select the Bezier circle, and here you can see that this sphere is move around this circle. Beautiful. Now I unhide the previous object by pressing Alt H, and here you can see our objects, and now I add some offset to these spheres. So for that, Shift D to duplicate this, and here I add offset like 50 and also animate this. Now by pressing tab you can see that these spheres are perfectly moving around the their paths. Beautiful. Now select these and Shift D to duplicate, and then only select this circle and rotate this circle along x-axis to 90 degree, and here you can see the movements of the spheres in their paths. Nice. Now I add some offset to this, and here I add 15, here is 0, and here is 50, and I duplicate this and add an offset of 75. Nice. Now if you run the simulation, then you can see that while pathing through this, these are not collide with each other. Nice. Now it's time to add material to this system. For that, I open my asset browser, and here I choose material and enter into the shading viewport, and here I apply some materials, and here I choose metals and apply this material to the spheres. Nice. Now if you run the simulation, then you can see that these spheres are nicely move around their paths. Thanks for watching.